Hi, my name is Aida. I'm 38 and I'm Malaysian. I am a stay-at-home mother. Actually, my friend invited me to join the swimming group. So I get a recommendation from other friends that Nano swimming has a different approaches that no other coaches teaches before. So without hesitation, I just enrolled, and it's given me a different kind of view in swimming. I took 5 sessions, and this includes breathing underwater, water confidence, straight kicking, freestyle, dog paddle, breathing underwater, back swimming, and as well as the Superman. My honest opinion about Nano swimming is, as a female coach, I believe that I'm comfortable with her because she is warm and friendly in person, and she's helpful. She's patient, and because she is a professional coach teaching for quite some time before, she has a very good approach, and she has she know what she wants, and the lesson is not so fast, so you could catch up in each and every session, so that you won't be left behind. This is I would vouch her that I recommend people to just start your swimming lesson. Swimming is good, as it's one of the good sports because it involves physical movements, and it's good for your heart. This is actually essential. I believe that this should be an essential sport for everyone to join, because this could be, it's not necessarily to be started at young age, because it should be, I believe that this should be enjoyed by any ages, for all ages.